Hi and welcome to another in our series of Start Rescue driver information videos. In this video we'll show you how to top up your vehicle's screen wash. Topping up your vehicle's screen wash is a quick and easy job that should be done regularly. This will prevent the windscreen wipers from smearing, the windscreen itself from freezing over in winter, and will ensure good visibility through your front and rear windows. Buy an appropriate screen wash and do not try and replace it with washing up liquid, as this contains salt and can damage a car. You can purchase a bottle of screen wash from garages, motor retailers and supermarkets for about £5. Open and pin up the car bonnet, locate the screen wash bottle and find the cap, which will have a symbol with a windscreen and water droplets. In modern cars, the cap of the screen wash reservoir will be brightly coloured to make it easy to find. Once identified, flip open the cap and find the maximum line on the neck of the reservoir just under the cap. Fill the chamber up to this line with the screen wash. Pouring screen wash directly from the bottle can be a little messy, so use a funnel if you have one to hand. Don't worry if you do happen to splash screen wash on other parts of the engine. It will just evaporate and won't cause any damage. Once you're done, simply close the cap and it should be job done. You should always check your vehicle handbook for any fault remedy before carrying out any work on your vehicle. If you are unsure of what is required to fix any problems, please consult a professional.